Introducing the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II, the mobile you must feel. In today's video, we'll take a dive into the specification of this remarkable device. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exclusive and unique tech content. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark II boasts a sleek and stylish design featuring a 6-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2520 x 1080 pixels. This full HD Plus display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, bringing your content to life. Under the hood, this device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. Whether you are browsing the web, multitasking or playing games, the Xperia 10 Mark II handles it all with ease. With 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB with microSD card, you have ample space to store your photos, videos and apps. Photography enthusiasts will be delighted with the Xperia 10 Mark II's triple lens camera system. It features a 12 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto lens and a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, allowing you to capture stunning photos from different perspectives. Selfie lovers won't be disappointed either, as the Xperia 10 Mark II comes with a 8 megapixel front facing camera that takes crisp and detailed selfies. With a 3600 mAh of battery, the Xperia 10 Mark II keeps you powered throughout the day. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports fast charging, so you can quickly get back to enjoying your Xperia experience. Additionally, the Xperia 10 Mark II is equipped with IP65 and 68 water and dust resistance, giving you peace of mind when using it in challenging environments. You won't have to worry about accidental spills or sudden downpours. In terms of software, the Xperia 10 Mark II runs on Android 11 with Sony's intuitive user interface. It offers clean and customizable experience, and you will find several Sony specific features that enhance the overall usability. And let's not forget about the audio experience. The Xperia 10 Mark II comes with high resolution audio and LDAC support, delivering immersive sound quality whether you are using headphones or the built-in speakers. With its sleek design, powerful performance, immersive camera capabilities and long-lasting battery life, the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II is a smartphone that ticks all the boxes. It's perfect for those who value both style and substance. And that concludes our today's video. If you want to save money on your dream phones, subscribe to our channel and never miss out any updates from our new smartphone series.